You know, I get asked this question all the time, and I've written some articles about it, and I've talked about it a number of times. I wish that I had a way of just tying my clients' hands behind their backs when it comes to social media when they are kicking off a divorce. It is amazing how people lack any common sense when it comes to social media. They're just things you don't want to post. It's like, when you had the advent of email or text messaging, and you still see this to some degree today, although not quite as badly as you used to, people would send stuff that they would never think of saying to another individual. Well, it's the same thing with a lot of this stuff on social media. You see this all the time on Facebook or on Instagram or on Twitter. I'll tell you one of my favorites, and I get a huge kick out of seeing this. But you go and see something on Instagram. They've got one of these that is called, drunk people doing certain things. Well, these people have posted that. Well, imagine if you are in a custody battle. How do you think that looks? Horrible. And you're playing that in front of a judge, or you're playing that in front of a jury. It does not play well. So, one thing I would say is if you have any doubt whatsoever, do not post anything. Just don't do it. If you're not posting, you don't have to worry about that. And if you are posting, boy, you really better worry about it, because, people can take things all sorts of different ways. You might post something that you think is the most generic post that has ever been made, and I guarantee you there are people out there that can twist it and turn it and and make it look like you had some sort of bad intention. So just do yourself a favor. Don't press send. Put the keyboard away. Step away from the phone, and don't do anything with social media during a divorce.